Okay, here we go. We're starting the vlog. I am on my way home from a 12-hour night shift. We're starting our day off by driving my siblings to school and daycare. I have to go get these bad boys done. I still need to pack basically 5 days worth of clothes inside of a technical backpack because airlines really slacken these days with the no carry-ons allowed unless you want to pay $60 extra. So that's the tea. We're gonna have a good time though, navigating a city I've never been to, so hopefully I survive and I make it back. Good morning. It's 5:50. I've been awake in my bed, well, in this bed, just scrolling, looking at the train station I'm supposed to use today. It's been funny so far. The first thing after landing at O'Hare, that I was walking out in front of somebody who had been detained from what I'm thinking was a disturbance. She was put in the back of a police car. The O'Hare Fire Department came, the ambulance came. They left pretty quickly. I'm sure they were cleared. No care required. There was a group of people cheering when she came out in handcuffs. And then a few short minutes later, a male came out in handcuffs, detained, and they cheered again. It was funny. Welcome to Chicago. Warm welcome, in my opinion, from just finished my tour. It was cute. I liked learning about H.H. Holmes, although I knew most about him. It was cool. He was here. It was where it all happened. So I'm gonna walk around a little bit and then I'm gonna head to the metro and head on back to the hotel and spend the evening with Mom. Got a lot of food and green tea, and there's more coming. We are not going to be able to consume all this. Good morning. I'm sitting amongst the plants. Oh, I thought that looked funny. caramel mock from the hotel. I didn't end everything yesterday. We finished dinner and we went to the shops that are in the area. Target, TJ Maxx, Ross. I didn't get anything, I just looked around. There was a really cute workout outfit though that I wanted to get from Old Navy. But maybe today, I don't know. So then we got back to the hotel. We went to the gym for a little bit. We showered, we went to bed. It was pretty chill. I am now waiting for my Lyft to take me to the Metro again. I don't have a lot on my agenda today. I'm really not feeling it. I'm super tired for whatever reason. So I think I'm just gonna go to the library. Might go to the reserve. Might actually see the Bean because I'm not sure I'll have time to do it tomorrow. So my Lyft is almost here. Au revoir. Cheers. I will see you at Union. It's the last day going to Chicago. I'm waiting for my Lyft to take me to the station like I have been doing for the past 2 days. It is late. It's 2:02. I wasn't feeling the whole early thing today, so I didn't do it. My mom is gonna meet me in the city after she gets off of work. She gets off of work at 3. She's gonna come back. She's gonna get dressed. She's gonna get ready. Then she's gonna drive in. And then when we're done, we're gonna drive back here. So I don't have to worry about taking the Metro back. So I'm going just slightly earlier than her so I can get the things that I want to do done that she probably wouldn't be interested in. I'm going to the Art Institute and the library. And then we're gonna do whatever else we have planned together. So I will see you there. Get away from me. walking in. We're 94 floors up and she hates it. It's amazing. I love it. We're at the pizza place that I don't know how to pronounce. Giordano's, I think. Giordano's. I don't remember. But it was rated, what was this pizza place rated? 8.3, 8.5. By the Barstool Pizza guy. The, you know the rules. One bite, that guy. So I have a Windy City Rush. It's really good. We ordered classic cheese with deep dish pizza. I've never tried deep dish pizza. Only thin crust from New York City because classic. So we will see. And I'm not by any means a foodie, so my rating means something. But we'll try it. I think there's a theme here. It's like 3 in the morning, and this is the 3rd time I started the dryer, and the clothes are still not dry, and I just put it on a 80-minute timer. I don't know what to do. I'm tired. This feels like deja vu on a few different levels. I am waiting for my Lyft to take me to O'Hare. My trip has come to an end. It was fun, but I will be boarding my plane at 2, and it should land at 6 Eastern time. To update you on the laundry, we went through a drying cycle like total 5 times. On times 4 and 5, we separated our clothes. My clothes were the last ones because I got a slower start to the morning. I got to leave after my mom, and not all of them were still dry, and I didn't have a lot of clothes in there. So the dryer sucks here. Sucks. I don't know what's wrong with it. I have nothing, honestly. The settings were for the most part correct. 5 different cycles. Crazy. I mean, it worked out for the most part. So no complaints anymore.